put the level here, and then the level falls off. That looks good right there. So something's off. Okay, so now what we're trying to do is find my top dead center. I've tried a few different things, and I think this is going to be my best option. So this is a pipe level. So what I'm going to do is I have it set to 0 degrees, and I'm going to push it up the pipe until I hit dead center, right about there. Then I'm going to make a mark. I'm going to make my mark right there, dead center. Now I did this multiple times all the way down the length of the pipe. So now I'm going to take my chalk line and lay my chalk line on my marks. Okay, so I got my chalk line hooked up to the hole on the end of the pipe. I'm going to lay my string right down as close to these lines as I can and snap it. So that should be my top dead center. Another way I'm going to verify my lines are nice and straight, the best I can, is to measure from this weld line up to my top dead center line. Oh, this is good. I'm going with that. We're not building the rocket ship, we're building the smoker. Okay, after measuring and marking and erasing and remeasuring and remarking, I've resorted to duct tape. What I'm going to do, I just laid a piece of duct tape right along this weld on both sides. And I mark my vertical lines here. On today's episode of Redneck Ingenuity, we're continuing with the duct tape theme with a laser level from Ryobi duct tape to a camera tripod. Okay, a little less ghetto now. Borrowing my friend's better laser level, I get a vertical and horizontal line. So this is going to be the top of my collector, and then we're going to go down 4 inches. And that'll be the bottom of my collector, and I'll be making my marks and hopefully cutting that out. So you see right now we're at the 27-inch mark. Going to make my line here, and then we're going to lower it down to the 22-inch mark. I'm going to do 5 inches, and that'll be the width, or the height, I should say, of my collector. And then we're going to go 16 inches this way. My high-tech laser level here on a camera tripod I pulled out of the garbage. I'm gonna lower this down. Should be on the 22. Boom.